Hey, how's it going? And today we're just doing something fun again. This is just what I call a cutaway, animated cutaway or cutaway to disappearance. So we've just got this model here, and what we're going to do is we need a controller, so we're going to go to the null, we're going to go OK, and then we're going to just drag this to the end, and then on the position, we're just going to, on the Z, we're just going to type in 10, and so now we have some kind of controller that we'll need. So if you hit play, you can see the null moving backward on the z-axis. Okay, so then all we got to do is this going to take advantage of the clip map. So we just make sure we're on the object, and then we go into properties, and here we'll click on this, and this will take us into the texture editor for the clip map. And then all we do is we're just going to set a gradient. We're going to go z distance to object, and the object is the null. And then here you'll see it's 10 meters down there, so that's perfect. On value, we're going to set that 0, and then we're just going to come down about 2/3 of the way and just click to add a keyframe. We're going to leave that at 0. I'm going to click again, and then we're going to add another keyframe and put this to 100 value. And then we can adjust these as we go along. But now if I hit play, you have to go into VPR, by the way, so let's match our perspective. And if we go into VPR, oh, and the other thing is on the surface editor, you want to make sure you're on double-sided. And then if you go into play, you just hit play, and you see it goes away like that. I think this has a lot of utility, so because you could cut away just like this much. It might have to fine tune it, like maybe on the gradient even, hair smidge, to where you just cut away. That's really the washing machine's going. I don't know if you can hear it. Just cut away to where you can see the eyes like that, and you could put, if you turn it, of course, it's going to get weird, but you could finagle it to where just like the eyes are clipping. And so it's just a really fun thing. So I thought about you could put a light inside there and then put on some volumetric fog and make the eyes, beams of light come out of the eyes, and it's just a fun thing to play around with. So that's all I had for today. So take care, have a great day, and I will talk to you next time.